This is one of the fastest and simplest, yet most powerful AI video generator you have seen. Apart from being lightweight and powerful, Vidu AI is completely free with unlimited video creation in non-peak mode, as well as an easy-to-use AI video tool. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Vidu AI video generator and also demonstrate how you can use the AI tool to create amazing text-to-video, video-to-video, or image-to-video content. Use the link in the video description to visit the website. You'll arrive at this interface. All you have to do is sign in and start creating. As you can see here at the top, you have a reference to video tool, which generates videos with multi-reference consistency. There's the image to video tool, the text to video tool, and the AI sound effects generator, which can create sound effects for any video with complete control over timing and duration. Below, you can see videos created by users and community members. You can easily preview, remix, and recreate any of these. Let's begin with text to video. AI text prompting requires some skill to help you generate the best results, but we can start simple. I'm going to type in a simple text prompt and let the AI figure out how it's going to handle the video generation. In the settings menu, you can adjust the style, choose video duration, resolution, movement amplitude, and aspect ratio. I already turned off non-peak mode, so I'm going to be charged 30 credits. Otherwise, it would be free. I'll click on Create, wait a few seconds for the video to be generated, and the video is ready. Here's a preview. If you have a better prompt, you can generate better videos. Now I'm going to show you the image to video tool, which in my opinion is the best I've seen so far. Choose and upload an image from your computer. Based on the image, describe the content you want to see in the video, and then click on Generate. As you can see, I went from this to this. And these characters in these images were turned into these videos. Assuming you see a video made by one of the community members and you want to create something similar, all you have to do is preview it, select Recreate, and you can go ahead and do what you want with it. In the next video tutorial, we will be extensively testing the reference to video tool and comparing results with other AI tools. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see that. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.